My name is Mylo Lang. I attended Capitol High School. Core Plus was a really foundational part of my high school, learning core manufacturing skills. The machining program at South Seattle College was really important to get me a mill and lathe certificate that I needed to make an internal transfer within Boeing. The combination of accreditation and more hands-on experience was what I really gained from the program.
We see our partnerships with Core Plus and with technical colleges as essential. That's our talent pipeline. So we work a lot hand in hand with them to ensure the material being covered is in alignment with where manufacturing is headed.
My current job is as a machinist apprentice, working in the emergent operations shop in Auburn. On a daily basis, I complete a really wide variety of tasks, from cutting raw material to programming and running parts on a 7-axis Intergrex machine. I'm collaborating with and learning from a really wide variety of experts. I use a variety of tools, screwdrivers and hand drills, working on assembly parts, to multi-axis machining centers, anything from computer operation to complex 3D CAD and CAM software.
So one of the coolest ways to come into Boeing is through the apprenticeship. It's a 4 or 5 year structured program. So our machinists are responsible for taking CAD models, designing cutter paths and tooling and machining concept, and seeing that part all the way to completion. The machinists support the production process in a couple different ways. In emergent operations, we will support our customers parts that need engineering revisions, parts that need to be redone. We also facilitate parts for our customer in the means of a high-speed production. When we look for machinists, and we're looking for someone that is driven and a critical thinker as we move toward modern manufacturing techniques and technology that's out there, we want someone that can grow and adapt.
My apprenticeship has been a really awesome experience. It's been really wonderful to try my hands at so many different skills. What excites me about my future, I'm studying for a mechanical engineering degree. The college tuition benefits were one of the main reasons I came to Boeing. I hope to finish the apprenticeship, finish my mechanical engineering degree, spend some time working as a machinist, and then move into an engineering role. Getting into industry, it can be a stepping stone to help get you in a position where you can provide for your family.